Hello everyone and welcome to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to reset Bumble swipes. Now, it's important to understand that resetting Bumble swipes has a couple of different interpretations. Here's a breakdown of how Bumble swiping system works and what options you have. Bumble, like many dating apps, has a daily limit on the number of likes or right swipes you can give. This limit is designed to encourage thoughtful swiping. The reset of your likes is not a fixed time each day. Instead, it operates on a rolling 24-hour basis. This means that if you hit your limit at 3 p.m., your likes will refresh around 3 p.m. the next day. Bumble offers paid subscriptions like Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium that typically include unlimited likes, bypassing the daily limit. When you reset your swipes, how do you reset your swipes? 1. By waiting for the daily resets. This is the most straightforward way to get more swipes. That is, wait for 24-hour resets. You can also use the Bumble's backtrack feature. If you accidentally swiped left on someone, Bumble's backtrack feature, which is a paid feature, allows you to undo that swipe. You can also use the account reset, but use it with caution. Some users consider deleting and recreating their Bumble account as a way to reset their feed. However, this is a very drastic measure and is not officially recommended by Bumble, because you may lose any existing matches or data. There are also reports of Bumble placing a waiting period after a user deletes an account before a new account can be created. So instead of trying to reset swipes, why don't you focus on your profile? That can be a more productive approach. Ensure that you have high quality photos and a good bio. Here are the key points. Bumble-like limits are designed to promote quality over quantity. Paid subscriptions offer unlimited likes. Account deletion is a drastic measure and should be considered carefully. I hope you found this video helpful.